not as loud as theirs.
Joining us for the hour-long dolphin and wildlife tour. The key word there is going to be wildlife. These are all indeed wild, and we'll definitely see lots of sea and shore birds. But when you are looking for those dolphins, or any other crew member, you're going to do the international sign for I see dolphin.
Sitting in the pod.
Moving underwater. Did I not get that?
Now when we did pass under those bridges back there, we entered Clearwater Bay. We're going to be primarily saltwater. There's no freshwater runoff from rivers, streams, or springs. But it does rain almost every afternoon during the summer, giving us just enough freshwater to still get the estuary title. And babies coming in here. It's a really great place for those babies to hang out and grow up.
Eat in Tampa and just visit.
Kind of around that island, you'll see it's a little
Yeah,
bit
it's beautiful
darker,
down here.
with some lighter patches in the middle.
I went to USF in Tampa, so
most people dump all that extra sand somewhere, so they put it every 1,000 yards down the center of the bay, creating a chain of islands. Now, Island 25 was large enough and it had those mangrove trees take root, and it's now very lovingly called Bird Island. It's going to be a protected bird sanctuary for over 26 different species. Yep. Development here on our beaches. Many of those birds have lost some of the nesting areas that they need, so Bird Island does give them a safe space away from us. Yeah.
We're in a channel. We go like we're there, get over there.
For up to 6 to 8 minutes, but they usually surface about every minute or so. They can also swim up to 25 miles per hour.
Wow.
They saw you coming, they ducked.
They can also go behind us, so make sure you're...
Hey, sweetheart. There's the dolphin! I see it! Beside the shark! There's the dolphin! Yay! There! Dolphins! Yay!
Now most people, when they see a group of dolphins like this, the first pod, however, a pod is not going to be the correct term when referring to bottlenose dolphins. They don't hang out with their family for their entire life, which is what the definition of a pod is. Bottlenose dolphins could be by themselves, with friends, or just with their family. So we call them a fission fusion group. It means to go apart and come back together. So these guys, we just call them groups.
Oh my
They're
goodness,
right at our 11
amazing.
o'clock. Here they come.
Yay! They're coming. They're coming, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Everybody got a good picture. 'Cause that is, they don't
I
usually
got
do
a
that
video.
yet.
They're over there.
There they are again.
Oh wow! Right here. Oh my goodness! I don't know where to point. There's 3 over there.
Those are the bro.
Yeah, they're like the troublemakers. Like they're always causing havoc.
Wow.
They're here.
They're hanging out. Right. Hello. There they are. They're hanging out.
Make some noise for these dolphins here. I'll check them out.
You guys want to know something?
Make some noise for
So
them.
They're over there now, love.
because they can't hear our voices because they're too low in frequency. So you can laugh at the other boats.
No!
I doubt it.
They're coming.
They usually, once again, don't stay up like this.
See him a lot?
Where they went?
There's some right behind us, and then some headed over there towards the jetty to our right. A study just through photography. There's no physical tags that go on the dolphins. It's all just done through pictures. And we've identified over 108 into their life. And that's just because their fin is a blank slate at first, but as they grow up and interact with the environment, that's when they get those different scars, scratches, markings by interacting with other dolphins off 3 o'clock. Other predators like sharks, or even just wear and tear.
Go on boats sometimes.
Real good.
$1,000 or even spending up to a year in jail. And then last but not least, the T does stand for teach others. So just like I'm telling you